Understanding nouns, the building blocks of English. Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we will dive deep into the world of nouns, which are one of the fundamental aspects of English grammar. Nouns are the words we use to identify people, places, things, and ideas. So buckle up and get ready to become an expert in nouns. A noun, in its simplest definition, is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. Whether it's a person like Michael, a place like New York, a thing like Apple, or an idea like freedom, all of these are examples of nouns. Remember, a noun is a naming word. It names something or someone. There are several types of nouns, but we're going to focus on 5 main types. 1. Proper nouns. 2. Common nouns. 3. Countable nouns. 4. Uncountable nouns. 5. Collective nouns. Proper nouns are used to name specific people, places, or things. They always start with a capital letter. For instance, George Washington, Paris, and Apple Inc. are all proper nouns because they name specific individuals, places, and organizations. Common nouns, on the other hand, are used to name general items or people. They usually don't start with a capital letter unless they begin a sentence. For example, man, city, and company are common nouns. Next, we have countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are objects that we can count. For instance, dogs, tables, and cars are countable nouns because you can have 1, 2, or many of them. Uncountable nouns, also known as mass nouns, are things that we can't count because they're usually seen as wholes or mass. Examples include water, information, and music. Lastly, we have collective nouns, which are used to name a group or collection of people, animals, or things. Some examples are team, flock, and bunch. That concludes our introduction to nouns. Remember, nouns are the words we use to name people, places, things, or ideas. And there are several types of nouns: proper, common, countable, uncountable, and collective. I hope this video helps you understand what nouns are and the different types that we use in English. Remember, understanding and using nouns correctly will greatly improve your English skills. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!